Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. This is Warbrush Noob, and I hope you all enjoyed part 2 of putting base colour down on the body and the shield. So I'll be focusing on the shield today, and I'll be focusing on this one from the last video and this one as well. I do have the arms and the head here. Bring them into focus as well, but that's for another video. So let's get working on the shield. So as I said in the last video, this is just a base colour, which will be a nice shiny silver. Of course that S is gone, so enjoy this little time lapse of me doing that. So that's all done. I'm going to give that a few minutes to dry off to the side, and I'm going to be working on this one. So for that one, I'm going to clean off my brush, bring that back into focus, and for that I'm actually going to choose this one just as a base. Might put a darker colour on top, I don't know yet. I've not really used this colour before, I don't think. So here's another timeline. I'm just going to be colouring this part of it. Just this top part here. So enjoy another time lapse. There we go. So it looks very messy at the moment, but I am cleaning it up. So it's that one. I'll be doing the same on, not this one actually. Yeah, I think I'll be doing it on the shield here. Maybe here. Paint would dry out very quickly. Right. So that's what I've done so far. Oh, no, I did. Right. We'll put them to the side like that. Next I'll be working on this metal shield here, and this shield across here. So I'll be using this colour just as a base. It's a colour that I've never actually opened until now. So we give that a shake and enjoy this little time lapse of the shield, these two shields being painted here. There we go. And that's that one done. time to bring in the shield again. Next I'll be working on the edges along here. So for that, let's pick out a colour. I want it to be like kind of like dark at the edges, like darker than that, but I don't want to use the same colour that I have used before. And the only dark colours I've got is black. I could use this one. Yeah, I'll be using this colour, one of my new ones. So I'll just painting around the edges here. Look at that colour. It's beautiful. Right. There we go. That's that done. The shield is not done though, guarantee you. And I'll probably use that colour again because it's actually quite nice. I'll be using it on here. Let's get into it. So that's that leg done. And then I'll be doing this leg. There we go. So that's both legs nice and done. So this will go over like that. So now that these lot are somewhat got the base colours on, I'm going to focus on the arms, the head that I had to glue because it snapped. It's fine though, it still works. And the other arm. So, this arm here. So I'll be bringing this colour back, and that is for this little bit here. Let me get my paintbrush out so I can point it to you. So focusing on this one right here is here, and that'll be this colour again, just to kind of tie it in with everything. Enjoy this little speed painting. Next up is the kneecap and the back of here, back of this leg, and up at the top here. And the same applies with this leg here, the kneecap and the back of this leg. It'll be this colour, which is very similar to this one. But this one here, the one I'm going to use, is a bit more grey. This one's a bit more brown. I don't know if other people can tell the difference with that. So I'll be focused on the back again and the knee. So enjoy this little speed run, speed painting. Alrighty, now that I'm gonna finish cleaning that so it doesn't stick. Get this shit out. Alrighty, now that that's done, and as you can see, it's very, very messy. This one I've just finished, as you saw. So as you can see, I do need to do another layer, but that's fine. Now I just need to work on the kneecap, which I'll do in a moment. Now it's time for these, the arms. I think I'll work on the hammer. And for the hammer colour, just this part here, not that part, this part here. I'll be working with this colour. So I'll just put these to the side. And this is another speed run, 10 laps. You can see that's all done. I'm only putting like base colours. I've not done any proper detailed like I've done with that one and that.